Yung tenga ni Yana, 3 araw nang namamaga. Who bit you?
Daan.
The ant? Are you sure?
Yes.
How?
Yes.
Alright.
Morning guys, it's day 2, November 15, 2018.
Okay, so nakabili ako ng Tasty worth 45 pesos. Good for 2 to 3 days. Malakas sila kumain. Actually, yung kahapon, konti na lang natira, pambaon na lang ng kids ko yun. Bumili ako 24 pesos worth na buka for this morning. Nilagyan ko na rin yan ng itlog mamaya para may protein sila.
Okay, kumakain sila ng cotton candy. How was it, ate?
Yummy.
Yummy. Yung tenga ni Yana, 3 araw nang namamaga. Hinahayaan ko lang kasi feeling ko naman huhupa, pero dapat ba akong may gawin? May ipahit, may ipainom. Ate, what happened to your ears?
I don't know.
Who bite you? Who bit you?
Daan.
The ant? Are you sure?
Yes.
How?
Yes.
Is it ouchy?
No, a little bit.
Show mama your other ears. Show mama yung 2 ears. Ayan ang laki ng maga. Tignan mo si mama. Tignan si mama. Send natin to kila Mamsi and Mami.
Okay guys, so for our day 2, week 1, lunch is worth 65 pesos na ulam. So may gulay tayo na sigarilyas, lechong kawali, at giniling. Giniling para sa mga bata, sa akin yung lechon, kay mama yung gulay.
Um,
Yummy. Masarap ah. Masarap din to sigarilyas na gulay. Sarap.
Okay guys, so bumili kami nitong soup sarap. 40 pesos siya, 5 pieces, so 8 ang isa. Ito yung gagamitin namin soup namin sa kanyang mga kids kasi yung mga kids hindi yan mamit eh. Kailangan yan yung mga masabaw. So ang gagawin namin, ihalo namin yung eggs namin dyan. You have the eggs. And then meron kaming malunggay. Ihalo rin namin yung malunggay. So para extra healthy siya. This is chicken and corn. Kalasa niya yung crabbing corn. Masyadong mahal yung 50 pesos ang isa nun eh, yung Knorr. So ito, mura na, kalasa pa nung kinakain namin. So very healthy.
Morning guys, it's day 3, week 1, November 16, 2018. Maaga ako nagising kasi medyo masakit yung tonsils ko. Baka hindi rin ako makapasok sa office today, pero mamaya kailangan ko mamalini kasi wala na kami bigas. And dadagdagan ko yung ulam namin ngayong umaga at tanghali na yung toge.
Good morning. How's your sleep? Ay, maglaro yung laway mo. Good? It's good. How's your ears? How's your ears? Show mo your ears. Galing na? Nakagat yun ng lamok eh. 3rd night na kagabing namamaga. Lagyan natin ng gamot, baby. Oily si mama, no? Parang kamukha ko yun sa
this
Game of
picture.
Thrones. A picture, smile. One more. Kiss.
together. It's nice to see you have a taste. It's so good. No, mama, no, mama. Where are you?
Here I am. Ano yung kinakanta mo? Let's sing. Incredibles, Incredibles, catching the bad guys. Hey, sing with me. 1, 2, 3, go.
A, B, C.
No. 1, 2, 3, go. Look.
Sing a juju and have a story. Goodbye. Exercise.
Why?
Because it's fun. It's so really big. Please.
But I don't want to exercise. What do you want, Tatiana?
I said YouTube.
Why? It's so early to watch.
But I said a little.
A little?
Yes.
Like how many? 2 only?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But it's so early. Play ka muna or write or draw.
But I don't know how to draw and I don't know how to play the toys. Because Milch is asleep, Mama.
You don't have anyone to play with?
I want anyone to play with me.
I want someone.
I want someone.
Okay, love.
Please, po. Please, po.
How much do you love Mama?
$100,000? Bida! $100,000.
Ah, sige po. Sige, get mo na dun.
Yay!
Yes.
Tantrums ang bata kasi si mama sa CR. Ayan na siya. So guys, just to recap yung expenses namin kagabi, ang natira for the food budget is 477. Sa grocery naman, dumating na kahapon yung excuse me, dumating na yung milk, 630 na binayaran ko. Tapos yung ginrocery ko na soup. So 1,000 minus 693, ang natira na lang sa grocery is 307. Pag hindi aabot tong 477 natin sa food, gagamitin natin yung natira sa grocery. Since wala naman kami kailangan bilhin pa sa ngayon sa grocery. So basically, after 3 days, nabawasan din ako ng 3 pounds. Hindi ko kasi na-vlog yung una kong weight, sayang. Basically guys, ang napansin ko namin ni wife, may improvement actually sa weight namin, gumaan ng pakiramdam namin. Lalo na nung nag-start kami puro halos gulay, yung kinakain namin, yung bawal movement namin especially ang nag-improve. So malaking bagay sa akin yung 3 pounds kasi ang hinahabol ko, ang talagang weight ko originally is at around 135 to 140 lang. So nag-overeating nga talaga kami. Kaya nag-over-budgeting kami. So this is a good start for us, feeling ko. Isa pa pala guys, nakalimutan ko pala in addition na malapit na year-end namin party. So hindi ako masyadong mahihirapan nito magsuot ng damit or pag nag-tuck-in ako hindi yung parang puputok. Kasi feeling ko makakatulong din to sa akin.
Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the street, I remember the child in a manger as she sleep. How to sleep? How to sleep? Show mama how to sleep. Whenever there are people giving gift, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas
Is truly in their hearts.
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday.